Hello viewers, you are welcome to our channel once again. I still remain Chinedu, your usual presenter. Today we are going to present another city close to Onitsha. We are talking about Nkpor. You must have been hearing about Nkpor, but if you have not, this is an opportunity for you to know where is Nkpor in Anambra State. Where we are moving now is Opiweka axis, but the coverage started there so that you can understand the exact location of Nkpor. You can see the boundaries, the area that Nkpor started. So that's why we started filming from a little distance towards Nkpor. This place by my right is Obosi, Obosi axis. So that indicates that Obosi and Nkpor, they have common boundaries in Anambra State, and they are from the same local government. That is Idemili North local government. So, but today I'm gonna show you Nkpor. We're gonna move around Nkpor, though there's no way we can cover the whole places, but I'll show you some places that are regular, where people usually pass, because that is what matters. There's no way we'll just go and drive inside one estate and say that we are filming Nkpor. We will cover the usual places that people passes, the normal common person passes or drives through. That's the major area. If there is opportunity, we can go into interiors and other special areas to film. And let's not forget that the more we move, the more the length of the film, the video is. So we are doing our best to give you the basic things that you are supposed to see, around Nkpor, what Nkpor looks like. So now we are at the Zix roundabout. You can as well call it Boromi roundabout. They are one and the same place. So that is Zix house by my right. So now we are about entering the area called Nkpor. Yes, we assume that from here by my right is Nkpor. Start moving down. By my left there inside is Omoba. Omoba is a part of Onitsha. So, but here, by my right here is Nkpor. Nkpor under Idemili North local government. Okay, like from here now, both left and right now are Nkpor. These areas left and right, they are Nkpor. Nkpor is a part of, in a general name, we call the whole surroundings Onitsha metropolis. But Nkpor is a town of its own from Onitsha. So you can see now, these places are all Nkpor, left and right. By my left, it went deep, inside. By my right, it still went inside, but we are not going to fly this bridge. We are going to move under so that we follow the right turn inside Nkpor, inside the other side of Nkpor. And good to let you know that Nkpor itself has its own village, because Nkpor is a village. It's just that this place is the part that developed into a city, and majorly visitors and foreigners lived inside this part of Nkpor. So this is a flyover. This flyover solved a lot of problems. It was constructed by His Excellency P2B then. If not for this flyover, people went through hell this area. So there is a crossroad here coming out from Nkpor and the express. So this flyover has solved a lot of problems. Then the problems is not completely solved somehow, because under the flyover, people coming out from the other side, they always have traffic. So, but we are going to follow right. We follow right now. By my left is the Nkpor New Pass. By my left now is Nkpor New Pass. New Motor Spare Parts. That's the name. If you are hearing of New Pass Nkpor, this is New Pass. It's a very large market. In fact, if you enter inside, you will confirm that it is a very, very large market. People come from both outside the country and every part of country to buy goods from there. This time around, it's just to package the goods and waybill it to any part of Nigeria or even outside Nigeria. So all this area now, they are Nkpor, the same type of structure like Obosi, Onitsha, all those houses, they are having the same type of structure. Just can be feeding your eyes. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, you know what to do. Click on the subscription button. Let's hear your comment. Like this video, and please don't forget to share the video. Right now, this is Nkpor roundabout. If you can remember when we filmed Obosi, we bust out from here and turn around. So it's assumed that by my right here is Obosi. By my right from this roundabout down there, somewhere down there is Obosi. But by the left is Nkpor. You see how the whole thing is now. By the left side is still Nkpor. Then by the right side goes inside is Obosi. So these are the boundaries of Obosi and Nkpor. So, but we are going to concentrate on Nkpor. We are moving down towards the village side of Nkpor, just to show you. We are not going to dwell there. By my left is a very large park. It's called Central Park B. Central Park B by my left. But there is no way we can go inside the park. Very large, mighty park, motor park. Central Park A is at Owerri Road, Obosi. But Park B is here. It was established by the then governor of Anambra State, P2B. In fact, that park, half of it is not being put in use. The same thing with Owerri own. Half of it is not being in use, but is there lying. So we are moving down towards Nkpor. All these areas are called Nkpor areas. See? Then from this road now, if you move down straight, you are going to reach Umuoji town. Umuoji is down there. Then down by the right also is Obosi. Obosi bust out towards that axis. Then if you observe now, you will be seeing some industries and companies. This axis, they have more of industries around this area. Thus, you can see some of them established in this part of Nkpor. So, but this road, like I said, leads down there to Umoji and other towns. But I just want us to see this area. Then, after some time, we are going to turn and go back to film the other side of Nkpor. Like I said, this is more of industries. You can be seeing industries around this area, companies, those that manufacture a lot of things that we use. This is where they are more of in Nkpor. So we are moving down now. Down, we are going to, reach Nkpor, the other side of Nkpor, as the village part of it, Nkpor no, the village part of it. But the developed city-like part of Nkpor is Nkpor Agu. So if you understand the meaning, you should understand what I mean. So we have more of industries around this area, but that's the way it is. Then on reaching Nkpor, the other side of Nkpor, we are not going to enter inside. We are not entering inside. It's just, okay, we've just turned from that place. We are back to the usual urbanized Nkpor, the place we want to have a critical look at. Okay. So this is Nkpor. Here is Nkpor roundabout. We are going to take right. We are going to take right and see how that area looks like. This is a popular area in Nkpor. So that's the road we are now is the old Onitsha road. With this road now, if you move straight, you are going to come out at Oka. From Oka, you move straight to Enugu. So long you don't divert. This is a straight old road before the new express was constructed in 1988. Before 1988, this road is the road that people used. Even in going to Lagos, this is the road that they used. So this is Nkpor, both left and right. They are all Nkpor. But I am going to give the history of this Nkpor, just some brief history of Nkpor. Just like we are doing with other towns when being presented. So we can say that Nkpor is a town in Idemili North Local Government Area of Anambra State. Nkpor is attached to the much larger city of Onitsha to the west, Ogidi to the east, and Obosi to the south. With time, we may come down to cover Ogidi also, because Ogidi is very fast integrating into Nkpor and Onitsha, becoming part of the mega city. So I hope that we will come down to Ogidi and cover those areas in Ogidi. All those places have the same pattern of building. So that's why people may not, or visitors may not differentiate all those areas. But our purpose is to show you these places. People may want to see the areas. People make requests that they want to see the places that they left for some time, and so on. So people are happy seeing the area and the way it looks like. Never mind, some may have some critical areas that they want to discredit. But it's all good for the benefit of Anambrarians. So that is it. The name Nkpor is derived from the adulteration of the Igbo word Mkpora. Mkpora is an Igbo word meaning repositioning. But with time, I will explain that so that you will understand how Nkpor or how Mkpora becomes Nkpor. So this road also leads into Nkpor village. That side we left is Afon Nkpor. That junction is usually called Afon Nkpor. So we've just entered inside that road leading down to Nkpor village, but just for us to have a view of this area. Shortly we are going to turn back and leave this area. This is just to showcase how the place is. So still moving down Nkpor. So here now is we are back at Nkpor Junction. We are back at Nkpor Junction. We are going to proceed the other side of Nkpor, the side that leads to the expressway, Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So all these areas, Nkpor, both left and right. So about the history of Nkpor, I said I will tell us the indigenous people of Nkpor are descendants of a hunter called Okolioti. Okolioti had 3 sons, Omaliko, Oji, and Dumudeke, if I should call these names well. Omaliko, who was the oldest in the ancestor of the people of Abatete. The descendants of Oji are the people of Umuoji. While Nkpor indigenes are the descendants of Dimu Udeke. So we are right now on the expressway. We are going to move down again. Both left and right of this expressway is Nkpor. Both left and right. Can be witnessing all those trucks parking by roadsides, both left and right. They park by the expressway. So we keep moving Keep moving down. Then we've turned, because if you continue moving, then we are going into Ogidi. Means that we have crossed the boundary. Once you reach that building materials, before that, shortly before that side is Ogidi. Ogidi is a different town altogether in the Demili North local government. I think so, yeah. Then this is inside the Nkpor. We have entered inside the Nkpor. That is the Akuzu area of Nkpor. That's where we've just entered. So let me conclude on the connection, the descendants and everything about Nkpor, because like I said, Nkpor has his own village and all these places belong to Nkpor. Forget that it has been developed. Foreigners have come in and everything, but Nkpor, like I showed you before, has his own village. So we are now describing the village settings of Nkpor, how the descendants and everything came to live in Nkpor. So the people of Nkpor, where the town of Orauku is located now, that's Nkpor people. They were to Oruku. There is a place called Oruku now, Anambra State. They said, according to history, they said that's where Nkpor people were located before. But however, due to the incessant wars and strifes with their neighbors, their elder brothers Abatete and Umoji. Abatete is a different town in Anambra, Umoji is a different town. So they are saying that Nkpor, Umoji and Abatete, they are the same father. Then these two elder brothers forcefully relocated them to their present sites, now where Nkpor is now, which was then uninhabited. Okay. Then this event leads to the derivation of the name Nkpor. That is, ndị akpọghara akpọgha, ndị akpọghata from ebe ha bi. They just brought them from somewhere and they are here. So the name in Igbo means Nkpogha. So the name leads to the short form of Nkpor. People decide to short form it by calling them Nkpor. So the Nkpor took their name. But then we are still inside the Akuzu. So all these areas are Nkpor, Akuzu part of Nkpor. Then there is also Mgbuka in Nkpor. Mgbuka, we have the popular Mgbuka at Owerri Road, Obosi, but this one is Mgbuka market is still here. The one in Nkpor is more of trucks, parts, heavy vehicle, articulated vehicles, their parts. Have the big market here in Nkpor. Also, that new pass market, motor pass market, is a very big market. And aside that, there are smaller markets also, but we are still moving down the road. We've just entered from the expressway that is leading down to inside Akuzu. But then we'll move down well so that we can see where Nkpor and Onitsha, Omaba area, where they met and formed the boundary. See how the links are. Then another market in Nkpor is the new tire. Yes. There is a big market, international market again, the new tire market. And they are all in Nkpor. And this road is just at the back of the new tire. So never mind, the road is scanty because we usually choose the time that the road will not be busy so that we will have a smooth movement and you can still enjoy the video. If you move when the people are out, when the roads are very busy, you will not enjoy the video. You cannot see anything much. So that's why we time it and moved the time that you enjoy the video. So you can see the areas have something in common, which is the same pattern of buildings. You have the same pattern of buildings. Around that Onitsha, Obosi, Obaro, all those axes have the same pattern. But we are still moving down. The road is not that smooth, so we are managing to maneuver. So, Nkpor, like I've said before, that is the short form of a name, Ndị Akpọrọ Akpọga. That are people that we have brought back from another place to this place they are now. So, people shorten the name Nkpor. So Nkpor now took over the name and they started answering the name Nkpor. So all this area are called Nkpor. So, but Nkpor is made up of 5 villages named after the children of Dimudeke. Okay, this is the area that joined Omoba in Onitsha. So, but we just came down here to have a look and we'll turn back to Nkpor side again, but just for us to see where they joined, where Nkpor joined with Onitsha. That's all. So the 5 villages that made up Nkpor is Isiome. That's the one presently we call Umusiome village. We have Ngwu, that is Isi Ngwu village. We have Obaba village, Amafo village, and Mgbachu. These are the 5 villages in Nkpor. Then the Igbo traditional head of Nkpor always come from Umusiomo village. That's the way they made it. It comes from Umusiomo village, the Igbo Nkpor. And Umusiomo village consists of 9 kindreds and so on. But this history is just, to enlighten some of us that all these places and the rest, they are being owned by a town, particular people. But I know that those days, all these places are the bushy part of Nkpor. The one they called the house own is now on the village, but the bush before has now turned into a city. So that is the interpretation. So we keep feeding our eyes both left and right. But there's one thing I want to assure you. You see these areas, we cannot enter inside all those areas, inside the major streets, inside the streets. No. There are countless number of buildings like this inside. Just like this, there are many inside. So, but we cannot enter there to start filming that environment. But just for the information's sake. So we are still inside as is. See, that's the way the buildings are inside, both left and right inside. Or if we start moving inside the streets and the rest, this video will not end in 2 days. So it's better we just moved on some places like that. Like here now, we just came out, have a look of the flyover, that express flyover, but we've left that place to follow another place. But never mind, with time we are going to come down there again, probably from the other side of Nkpor. And yes, this is the back of the market, the tire market, new tire. A very big market is by the right. It stretches from the right to the expressway. Very big market. So, but then we are still moving along a particular road in Nkpor, inside Akuzu side, but we are still going to move down to that Limca Road side, so that we cover the Nkpor of that side, then turn back again into the road that leads to New Pass. Then probably from there we cover part of the express by the right before joining Omoba and so on. So, but you see all this area we are passing now, if you try it when the road is busy, you will regret it. A large number of vehicles are always plying these roads, all these roads that you are seeing now. Large number of vehicles, there is always traffic here and there. But you know now, the cities are fast developing, and probably the people in charge should also try to meet up with the development by providing infrastructures that will match the development that is springing up on daily basis. But however, Rome was not built in a day. So now we've left that Akuzu area. We are moving again along the express, another side of expressway in Nkpor. All these areas are Nkpor. Yes, this is the new tire I was mentioning. This is new tire, the frontage. It's a very large market. You can see all these places, they are new tire. We are now going to climb the flyover. We will follow on by the left. There is a New Pass Market. So yes, like I said, we've now close to the flyover that I said we'll reach. So this is the area of the flyover. We are moving down. All these areas on a busy day is full of traffic. There is always gridlock along this area, despite the provision of the flyover. But all those vehicles that are usually low, they will want to stand at the middle of the road to load their passengers and the rest. So I'm just giving you the glimpse of how the place looks like, so that you will not say that the video you saw, the road is very free. It's not like that. So you can see now, see all those buildings down there, they are all Nkpor. They are all inside Nkpor. I said there are countless number of the buildings this type inside, but we cannot go there to start picking the streets one by one. Just show you some parts of Nkpor, and that is it. So from here now, You are moving straight, you are going to bust out at the Boromi roundabout. As if you continue moving straight now, all these left and right are all Nkpor. They are all Nkpor. Why you see all these heavy trucks here is that the companies that operates them, they have yard. Their yards is along this area, so you see a lot of articulated vehicles, heavy duty vehicles along this area. So we are moving down to Limca Road, and from here now is the Limca Road. That's part of the old road that I told you that leads to Enugu, as the Enugu Onitsha old road. This is Enugu Onitsha old road that leads straight to Oka, from Oka to Enugu. So all this area by the left, they are Nkpor. Though I don't know, is a bit disputable, but you know that the left side is Nkpor and the right side is assumed to be Obosi. So we'll move down to have a glimpse of the area. So we are still moving on Limca Road. It is called Limca Road, Nkpor. That's the old Jordan shopping mall, one of the biggest mall then in Nkpor, and Onitsha Axis then, not now. So you can see that same pattern of building still going round and round. From here now, we are going to come out at the Nkpor roundabout. Then from Nkpor roundabout, we're going to take left, and we have a view of that area down to New Pass. Then from that New Pass, we'll follow under the bridge, under that flyover. Then we'll come up again. From coming up, we'll be rounding up the video. So all these areas are called Nkpor. They are part of Nkpor, the Limca Road. You can see by yourself. If you are familiar with this area, you will know how far the area have changed, or whether it's still the same, the way you know it before. So this is still the Nkpor roundabout. We are turning left, and we move down to the new pass. So we are down almost there at the flyover. By the right is still New Pass Nkpor. That's the New Pass Market Nkpor. So if you cross under the flyover and move straight again, you are going inside the Nkpor. So but we are not moving inside the Nkpor again. Once we cross under the flyover, we'll turn left. Then continue our movement. So you can see we are back into the express once again. Some of the expresses we are showing you, they are part of Nkpor. We just have to break the movement down, but we are following here now so that you can understand where we started and how the place is being connected. You see now we are moving up, and we want to show you how the place is connected with Onitsha. You see the location with Nkpor and Onitsha. So the left side is still Nkpor, the right side is still Nkpor. But with time, without much time, we are going to be in Onitsha. And as soon as we enter Onitsha, I will inform you that we are in Onitsha, so that we understand the connection. So from here now is Boromi roundabout, and Boromi is judged to be part of Onitsha. So that is a 6 roundabout. So by the right there, you will enter inside Mgbuka Road, Onitsha. Then as we continue straight, we are moving down towards Opiwega. By the left is the 302 Artillery Regiment, Onitsha. That's the army barracks. Then but we are moving straight down. So, gentlemen and ladies, I want to thank you for watching the video once again. But if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Click on subscription button. Let's hear your comments. Like this video and don't forget to share it with others too. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, I still remain Chinedu, your presenter. And bye for now.